Hey everyone, my name is Karina. Welcome back. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make delicious tacos Gobernador. They're so delicious. If you've never had them and you want to know how I make them, keep watching. For this recipe, we're going to start off by setting our pan on medium heat. Once the pan is hot, I'm going to melt 3 tablespoons of butter. Just move it around, and once it's melted, I'm going to add 3 minced garlic cloves. We're also going to add 1/4 of a white onion, 1 chile poblano. Mix it well and cook it for about 2 minutes. Then we're going to add 2 roma tomatoes. Give it a mix and cook it for another 2 minutes. Now we add the shrimp. I'm using 1 pound of shrimp that I've already chopped into small pieces. We mix everything, and I'm adding salt and pepper to taste. Once we mix it all in, we're gonna cover it and let it cook until the shrimp changes color. It's been about 5 minutes, and as you can see, the shrimp is now pink. So it's time to add 1/2 cup of sour cream. And some chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. Now we mix it well, and this is the perfect time to see if you need more salt. For me, this is just fine. Now I'm gonna reduce the heat to the lowest setting, cover it up, and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes, and our shrimp is now ready. Now I'm gonna cover it up, turn off the heat, and start working on our tortillas. I'm gonna add some oil to the skillet. I'm just gonna spread it around, just like that. Once it's hot, I'm gonna add the tortillas. Cook each side for about 30 seconds. And now it's time to add the cheese. I'm using Monterrey Jack cheese. Once the cheese is melting, you can add the shrimp. You can add as much as you'd like. Now we fold the tortilla, just like this. And after a few seconds, we flip them. These are now ready, and I'm gonna set them on a plate. Okay, let's open it up. Y se ven deliciosos. My mouth is watering. And we just do the same for the rest of the tacos. We add some cheese, the shrimp, and there you have it, delicious tacos Gobernador. Cheers. Alright guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you've not yet subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!